Hey everybody, it's Mike with Monkey Fab, and look what I got. You guys see it? Isn't it beautiful? Hey, are you tired of leaky V-bands that never want to seal? Well, we got answers and solutions for you at Monkey Fab Garage. Wearing my Bob the Shop Sheep t-shirt again. Link available below in the description. But yeah, man, I looked at V-bands and I'm like, why do these things always have to leak, man? How hard would it be to put a copper gasket O-ring in the middle of these things and make them seal up? And oh, by the way, make it replaceable. So geez, I can just replace it if it wants to leak, which is what we did. So look at that. We just put these guys in, bam, and let me show you. Let me show you how this works. You're probably wondering, but Mike, how does it work? Well, let me show you how it works. So what we did is we ordered copper O-rings, and then we used 2 female sides of the self-aligning V-bands to make, look at that, to make a seal, a good positive seal. And there's certain tricks you can do when you guys are using these V-bands. People sometimes break these nuts. See, on my quick disconnect V-bands, if you break the nut, it's not really all that big of a deal, because you just buy another nut and put it in there, because you can replace the nut, unlike the ones that are like locked in there. If you break the nut on those pieces of crap, well, then you got to buy a whole nother clamp, and you don't want to do that, do you? Just get these guys, and then you can just replace the bolt. But yeah, put a little bit of anti-seize on the nut. That's going to help you, number one. And then throw a little bit of oil or lube or something on this guy, because this is stainless steel, this is stainless steel, and when you tighten them, similar metals like to gouge. They like to become one, and just a little bit of oil or some sort of lube in there will help that clamp kind of just slide over top of the V-band and lock into place, and that'll make your life a lot easier than it just boogering up. These guys come in a hard state. You see that? I'm trying to squeeze it and it doesn't want to bend. That is so when we ship these to you, you don't get a box of Pringles, because nobody wants a box of copper Pringles. You guys want regular, nice little copper O-rings. What you'll do is when you get them, you throw them on a wire and hit it with your torch. Just a little, is good enough, and heat it up till it discolors, and then it becomes soft. You see that? And that way it can crush and do its job. Now you could just install it and heat cycle the engine. It does this in copper nils at about 700 degrees Fahrenheit, which it would just naturally do in your engine anyway, and you can go back and retighten them. But who wants to go back and retighten stuff? Just throw them all on a hanger or a piece of welding wire, hit them with a torch till they all discolor. You guys see that? See the color difference between the two? Annealed, brand new, shiny. Oh my God, Mike, annealing sounds so scary. How do you do it? Well, you get a tank like this, and then you hit it until it discolors. Just like that, we're annealed. Now, what you don't want to do is grab it, because it's like the temperature of the sun. So you just set it down on something that translates or transfers heat really well for a second or two. Dun 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 dun. Don't grab that, because it's gonna hurt. And then once you give it a second to move the heat out, there we go. Just like that. Squish, we're annealed. Bam. So once it's milled, you just throw it in your V-band, slam it together, put a little oil around the outside before you clamp it down, and give it the old bazappa zappa. You should really use a hand wrench to do this, but you know. So there. So now I got a nice copper sill on my V-band, and I can replace it. If it doesn't do what it's supposed to do, or it leaks at some point in its life, I can just buy a new one. These guys, you can buy these by themselves. Now these assemblies are a bit more than my regular ones, because when I buy them independently, i.e. just one side and just the clamp, like this is just 2 female size with the O-ring, it costs more, but it's these guys are $7 and replaceable, and the whole unit becomes, I think, $12 more expensive. So $30 3-inch V-band now becomes $42, but you can replace the O-ring if you need to later down the road, which is always nice, because if you get a leaky leak, then you can just go back and zoom it on there. Bam, you're done. And yeah, so right now we have a 2.5-inch and 3-inch. I figured we'd want to use these on the hot side of the turbo mostly, but that should cover like 99% of the stuff. You guys let me know if you need, like, you know, hey, we got to have 4-inch, we got to have 5-inch, whatever. We can work with that, but for right now, we're going to give it a couple months and see how the 2.5 and the 3-inch copper O-ringed self-aligning V-band cell. And I'm excited about this. Hope you guys are too. And be sure to go pick up a Bob the Shop Sheep. Every t-shirt sold goes to help a Marine vet, and that's always a good thing. And until next time, this is Mike with Monkey Fab signing out.